potong sotong. Ito para kecil-kecil. Yan, ambil mata kain.
Two oceans in between us, and away the shore. There's a gate I see, there's a way for me. Now this one sits here and whispers things to me. Now I got the devil inside. This one made a pig of me. This wall is primal, my guiding door. The headache of the necktie on my bedroom door. My conscience burning, my eyes are too cuddled up with a heart condemned. I should love you, and I swear I do.
Activity memancing. Jadi apa perasaan sedang mengikuti ini? Saya mancing, alhamdulillah tidak. Oke, kesannya kita bersama dengan hari garai. Jadi apa perasaan hari ikut activity ini?
Saya bilang satu ikan pertama
Apa ikan tadi yang menggunakan?
ikan kulit.
Mantap, mantap.